question, they tell you given the probability distribution of continuous random variable is fx is equal to 1 minus 0.5x, and then the range of x is equal to 0 until 2. Okay, the first question they want us to sketch the graph, right? So when we want to sketch the graph, we know that this is already a linear function, so must be a straight line, no? So now you can draw first of all we have value of x is equal to 0 and value of x is equal to 2. Now find the value of x when x is equal to 0 for this value. Then you substitute inside fx, you're going to get 1 minus 0.5 multiplied by 0. You're going to get equal to 1. And another one, when x is equal to 2, we get this value. Then find the value of fx, which is 1 minus 0.5 multiplied by 2. So the answer here is 1 minus by 1. The answer is 0. Now you have two coordinate here. Now you can draw. So we draw. Oh, sorry. So this is your x, this is your fx. So by right, when x is equal to 0, 0 is here, right? The value of fx is 1. So that's it. Here is 1. So you have 1 point here. And another one we have when x is equal to 2. Imagine here is 2. And then the value of fx is equal to 0. So the point is here. Now what you need to do is draw a straight line using a ruler. So you get like this. So currently this is your graph lah. You can see a triangle here. Now settle for question 1. For question B, they ask you to show that the total area under the graph here is equal to 1. Okay, by right, we want to show that this triangle, the area is equal to 1. How? This is a triangle, right? So the formula for triangle is area 1 over 2 multiplied by base multiplied by height. So right now, 1 over 2, base we have here, this one, 0 until 2. So by right, 2 minus 0 is the base. And then for height, we have here, by right, it is 1 minus 0. So 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, the answer is equal to 1. So right now, your area is equal to 1. So you shown already lah. The area is equal to 1. Okay. Now settle for question B. For question C, they want you to find the value of probability x less than 1. So they want probability x less than 1. So this one, you use the graph that you have. So inside your graph, you're going to have x is equal to 1 where? Here, right, in the middle. So this is 1. They want the probability less than 1. So by right, starting from 0 until 1. Here lah. Okay. So the shape is a trapezium. So we're going to use area of trapezium, which is 1 over 2 multiplied by a plus b multiplied by h. So where is a, where is b, where is h? Since this is trapezium, right, you can tilt your screen. So this will be your a, this one will be your b, this one will be your h. Okay, so by right, your a right now, what you need is the height of a, which is, you need to find the value of a here. How? To find this, your x is equal to 1, right? So you just substitute the value of x inside fx, which is fx is equal to 1 minus 0.5x, right? 1 minus 0.5x, substitute 1 inside, you're gonna get 1 minus 0.5. Here the answer is 0.5. So this area is 0.5. So by right, your a is 0.5 plus with b. B is starting from, this is b, right? Well, let me draw properly. Okay. This is b, right? The size here is 1 minus 0. So it is 1, no? So plus with 1. Multiply with h. Where is h? H is here, which is 1 minus with 0 as well. So you're going to get 1. So the answer here is 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 5. The answer is 0.75. So you settle to find the value of the probability of x less than 1. Now you want to find the evaluate 1 until 2, probability of 1 until 2, which is probability 1 until 2. So where is 1 until 2? Using your graph that you have here, your 1 until 2, I will use another color, yeah. So 1 until 2, this is 1, right? Until 2. So by right, it is a triangle. So how? Actually, you can just use the value of the probability value of x less than 1 here. Why? Because total area for this graph is 1, right? Because it is a PDF function and we calculate already total area. Now, if we want to find this guy and then we already got here equal to 0.75, now to find the value of the green color side here, you just need 1 minus with 0.75, which is 0.25. That's it. Okay, so settle question C.